Hi, this is Devin Hobb with Remax, and we're in front of this beautiful custom-built home in Eagle Mountain. This home sits on a full acre, and so you do have animal rights, horse property that you can have. And this is beautiful landscaping here in the front. The rocks alone were almost 50 grand to import them in. So anyway, very beautiful custom home. You're going to notice as we go through the home that there's a lot of custom woodwork, a lot of incredible timber throughout the home, and I'll take you on a tour of that. Starting off, there's a good side yard over here for the horse trailer or the RV pad, whatever the case. There's a lot of land on the side that you can do, and room for maybe another shop if you wanted to build a big barn or a big shop. You easily could fit one there back where the RV currently is. And or closer up, but yeah, lots of space to do what you'd like with this full acre. The sellers who built this home, they did spend a little extra money on the windows. They are the black metal frame windows, which is an upgrade. And then all this timber you can see is just awesome. All right, here in the entryway, we've got a nice little nook here, and then we've got the front formal room right here. And we go into this way and we've got the great room. So half bath right here for the guests, but beautiful kitchen, beautiful living area. You see these tall, two-story tall vaulted ceilings here, and it's a really nice living area. Here in the kitchen, some of the upgrades are this leathered granite right here. We've got charcoal stainless steel appliances. So this fridge, the seller is going to keep their fridge, but you've got KitchenAid stainless, charcoal stainless steel KitchenAid appliances with the red accents right here. And then we've got a really nice gas cooktop. It's a KitchenAid as well as the KitchenAid microwave. So yeah, all these cabinets are really nice custom cabinets. They're soft closing. And then over here we've got the dishwasher that is has the matching cabinet face to it. It's a Thermador dishwasher. So lots of no expenses spared here in the kitchen. Over here we've got a home office. It's not technically a bedroom because there's no closet. So it could either be the home office or a little game room or whatever. And then we've got a bigger second pantry. So this is the big pantry. It's got a motion sensor light, and then the regular pantry is right here. So the home does have two pantries. So now I'm going to show you a really neat feature here in the living room. So we have custom built-in cabinetry right here, and then this fireplace hearth is really neat. It's actually steel, and so it's got this here, and you can store the home rifle or whatever the case right there. And it's got a true wood-burning fireplace right there. That could be an additional source of heat, and it's a huge fireplace. Back this way, we've got the master bedroom. You'll notice all the detailed woodwork. So they really trim the home with very nice woodwork throughout. You have the vaulted ceilings here in the master. This is a king-size bed, and so you can see there's a lot of space here in this bedroom, and there is a private door that goes out to the backyard and to the backyard patio there. So we'll take you out there at the end. Here in the master bathroom, we've got two separate sinks, and then we've got a walk-in shower. It tucks around, and an oversized tub here. It's extra wide, a little long, and really nice tile work. Again, they've made the tile. The tile they chose looks like wood. And then we've got a little toilet room here with stacked linens shelving there. Here's the closet also has an automatic light and built-in shelves everywhere in here on both sides. And there are some drawers that slide in and out to access your clothes a little easier. Down the hallway, we've got 2 more bedrooms, so I'll take you there. So we've got bedroom number 2 with its own walk-in closet here. Pretty decent views. And then the next bedroom's got the best views. So bedroom 3 on the main floor also has a walk-in closet, but incredible views. There's currently some clouds covering the mountains, but if they weren't there, you'd see all the Mount Timpanogos and American Fork Canyon right there. So awesome views here and good sized rooms. The owners, when they built the home, they wanted to make sure that they had plenty of storage. So we got a storage closet here and another one here. And then down this hallway, we've got a large laundry room with full cabinetry up and down and a sink. And then here's the full bathroom, custom tile work, linen closet again in there. And then really neat tile, or actually it's brick. So they've got a brick floor here in this bathroom. And then we've got a computer station, more storage cabinets. That brings us back here to the entryway, and it's kind of a large loop. I want to show you the garage real quick. We've got an oversized 2-car garage. It's extra deep. You can see there's plenty of space behind the car and in front of the car. We've got epoxy flooring, very tall ceilings, and these are really neat little lockers. So all the ski, snow gear and everything per kid goes right here, and you got each family member's little locker. And you've got little storage underneath for the boots. So really neat feature here. And then just more storage closets. So lots of storage in here. So that's the garage, extra wide, really tall and long. Now I'll take you upstairs. So first off, we've got a kids' play area right here. Inside you can stand all the way up. So it's a full 6-foot or 7-foot ceiling up here. Some fun things, a little storage cranny for the toys, and their own light switch. So we've got the kids' playhouse. And then right here's the loft, second bonus living room up here. Incredible views. Again, wish it was a little bit more clear of a day, but you could just see American Fork Canyon right there. It's an awesome view. And now we'll head back down the hallway, and you'll see it's got this nice archway looking down on the living room. We got wrought iron railing here. Right here we've got a separate furnace and AC system for the upstairs only. So this will heat and cool up here separately, and then there's a furnace and AC system in the basement that will heat the main floor and possibly the basement. Over here we've got the 4th bedroom in the home. Very large, spacious, walk-in closet as well. And down here we've got a awesome bathroom, possibly one of the biggest ones in the house. So we've got a double sink here. They're all soft closing. And then we've got a storage closet again. And none of this stuff's even bathroom related, but it's just more storage the better. And then this one here, another big linen. And here we've got the toilet and the shower combo in there. So this one's a pretty big bathroom. Upstairs, washer and dryer. The seller will keep this washer and dryer. They're going to keep both sets of washers and dryers. The ones on the main floor and these ones are leaving. But it is up here. You could do a stackable here, and then you have nice built-in shelves for this upstairs laundry. This would be the 5th bedroom in the home. It's huge. Very nice size, neat ceilings, large walk-in closet, excellent views again. So this is the 5th finished bedroom. Downstairs in the basement is framed and plumbed. And so pretty much the most expensive materials are already installed. And there's room for 3 more bedrooms down there if you want to finish it. I'll go show you where that's left off. So it may be easier if I start you where the basement entrance is. So we'll start over here and then work our way around. So this would be a separate entrance where if you wanted to turn this into a basement rental apartment for a mother-in-law or possibly go through the city to get a legal accessory permit, you could do that. Separate entrance right here. You walk into a little front room, and then we've got a full bathroom right here that could be either accessed from here or on this other side. And over here we've got a living room, another access to the outside, but the sellers have got kind of this spray painted out. Refrigerator would be here, some base cabinetry, stove, and a whole kitchen setup could be right here. And then this would probably just be a large pantry or something. Right here we've got another bathroom, so it's plumbed and ready to go for that. And then this would be a large basement living room. These are 9-foot tall ceilings. That's all set up for a fireplace, and you got the flue all ready to go. With the 9-foot ceilings, you get the extra tall windows in the basement, which on that side are all above ground. So large living room here. This would be probably a store. Oh, this is your laundry. So the laundry hookups are right here, and they're already installed for the basement. We do have a water softener system running to the home, and then that white tank is a oversized reverse osmosis tank. So you got lots of clean water ready to drink. So storage and no bathroom. So we've got the bathtub, toilet right there. So this is bathroom number 2 in the basement. This would be a storage room. No window in that one, but we've got bedroom number 2. Well, bedroom 1 in the basement, bedroom 2 in the basement, and then a couple other rooms that don't have windows. So that's how we've got it. 2 bedrooms there, living room, and then you can lay that out over there with another living room, and or maybe turn that into a bedroom ensuite type of thing. So there's the basement. Right here, this was intended to be set down for a golfing simulator. So if you don't want that, you probably just build up a platform so that way you can have a smooth floor. And both of these pantries here are cold storage underneath the front porch. It's a big front porch. So we've got a storage area there. Or you can set up this room as a theater room. There's no windows in it, so it'd be a great theater, and you could build a platform to have stadium seating. So hopefully this helps you get the gist of the basement. Here's the furnace and AC for the upstairs. 2 water heaters serving this home, both installed in 2017, so lots of life left. Let's take you out to the backyard. Okay, so here in the backyard, this is a big selling feature. We've got the full acre, lots of land. You can see down there, there's a little dirt road that can come in and swoop over. That's about the edge of the property line, and it goes straight across to the corner of that neighbor's fence right there. And so lots of land. This timber work is so custom, and I've never seen anything like this before, where they connected the timber with these metal chain links for decoration. So really neat timber work up here. We've got the patio lighting as well. It's a covered patio. And then this is the master bedroom entrance to the patio. Well, let me tell you what the sellers had in mind but haven't finished is over here. This was to be maybe finish your railing around the wall, and then this could be like a neat hot tub patio or a play area. But yeah, lots of things you could do with this space. And then this would be a parking area for the mother-in-law apartment. If you were going to use it that way, you could come over here, park right there, and go in. So yeah, lots of space here. And these rocks are not cheap to bring all these nice rocks in. So there's a big yard and plenty of space to add a a big shop right here if you wanted. I hope you enjoyed watching this video tour and got a good feel for the layout as well as some of the features of this home. Feel free to reach out to me if you'd like to come and see it, or reach out to the agent you're already working with and come and see this home. Thanks for watching.